Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Take Profit Trader to Ninjatrader. First, you need to activate your data feed. Before connecting to Ninjatrader, log into your Take Profit Trader dashboard. If you are using CQG, find your Tradeovate username and password inside your account. Then log into Tradeovate and accept the market data agreements. If you are using Rhythmic, check your email for the credentials or look for Rhythmic credentials on Take Profit Trader dashboard. Download our Trader Pro, log in, and accept all required agreements. Next, open Ninjatrader Desktop. In the Control Center, click Tools, then Options. In the General section, enable Multi-Provider by checking the box. Click Apply, then OK, and restart Ninjatrader to save changes. After restarting, go back to Control Center. Click Connections, then Configure. From the list, choose the connection type provided by Take Profit Trader. If you are using CQG or Tradeovate, double-click Ninjatrader. Enter your username and password on the right side. Set account type to Simulation, then click Apply and OK. If you are using Rhythmic, select Rhythmic for Ninjatrader Brokerage. Enter your Rhythmic username and password. Choose Rhythmic Paper Trading and select the correct server region. Now return to Control Center. Open the Connections menu and select your new connection. Wait a few seconds for it to connect. When the indicator at the bottom turns green, your data feed is active. You can now select your Take Profit Trader account inside Charts and start trading. Thanks for watching.